Hello everybody, I am here with Oldies but Goodies Gen X ATC cards. Hashtag it, Gen X Toons. I hope you guys are enjoying these. Me and Sabrina have been having fun. We are on May 22nd, and it is Looney Tunes. So, I got a Mirage here. So, let's see if I can remember all these. I know Bugs Bunny, Tweety Bird, Taz, Sylvester. Oh my god, I can't remember all these at the moment. Oh my lord. Well, there we have it. I'm getting old, guys. I'm getting old. So I just had these little Looney Tunes stickers, and I just put a background on, and I just kind of stuck them here and there. But, God, I can't remember these two. Sesame Sam? Sam something. I don't remember him at all. I can't remember what he is. Well, you guys, here's a question for you to leave in the comments for me. See if you can name all these. Especially this guy, Martian. I think he's a Martian. I want to say that's Sesame Sam. Sylvester, I'm pretty sure. Tweety Bird, Taz, and Bugs Bunny. You leave me the names in the comments. And you might get picked for a hidden giveaway. Yes, I'm having a hidden giveaway. So, you can tell me what this guy's name is. Well, actually, name them all. So, name them all in the comments below, and I will put your name in for a little drawing. So, thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.